In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Cash App exceeded limit error and explain why it happens. This error usually appears when your account has reached certain sending, receiving, adding, or withdrawing limits, especially if your account is not fully verified. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. To start, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the profile menu, scroll down and look for the option labeled Limits, then tap on it. On this screen, you'll be able to see your current Cash App limits, including how much money you can send, receive, add, or cash out within a specific time period. If your account is unverified, these limits are usually much lower, which is often the reason for the exceeded limit error. If you want to fix this issue and increase your limits, the main step is verifying your identity. Go back to the main screen and try adding cash or sending money. When you hit a limit, Cash App will usually prompt you to verify your identity. Tap on the option to verify and follow the on-screen instructions. This typically involves entering your legal name, date of birth, and other required information. Once your identity is successfully verified, your Cash App limits will automatically increase, and the exceeded limit error should no longer appear. If your limits still don't update after verification, open Cash App again, tap your profile icon, scroll down, and select Support. From there, choose the option to contact support and start a chat with a Cash App representative. Let them know you're experiencing an exceeded limit error and that you want to review or increase your limits. Following these steps is the most effective way to fix the Cash App exceeded limit error and continue using your account without interruptions. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, withdrawal is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed withdrawal review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.